so how's it going, everybody? So I'm not sure if you guys have seen, I got one of my dream cars pretty recently, and today was a good time to kind of bring you guys along on a POV drive of the car, show you guys how it performs, how it drives, and pretty much everything I've done to it, show you guys what it sounds like after all that. Alright, so here's a quick look around at it. You guys can see this thing's a monster. Pretty dirty, but still a monster. Gotta get a car wash soon. Alright, so let's hop in, let's get going, and show you guys a little bit about how this thing actually runs. Alright, let's get this thing rolling. Let's put the windows down, put up the exhaust. Here's a startup. Sounds absolutely beautiful. Let's do a quick little pull. That sounds crazy. Damn. Alright, let's put the windows back up, because if we get on the road, you guys are going to hear a bunch of wind noise. But yeah, this thing's a monster. If you guys have already seen the red one I had in Dubai, that was not as crazy as this. I don't know what they're feeding this one, but damn. So yeah, this has been one of my dream cars for a very, very long time. I obviously got the one in Dubai, but like I said, I had to get another one. This was my exact spec that I wanted my whole life. This green trim with the carbon fiber and everything. So this was one of my like favorite cars of all time. So I walked into the dealership. I really didn't need a second car. I'm not gonna lie, probably not the best financial decision. But damn, I mean, taking a look at this thing every morning is probably like one of the best feelings ever. So yeah, the beauty of trading is being able to do whatever you want, whenever you want. And I got my dream car twice in two different cities that I love. And here we are, driving it right now. Alright, let's take this thing on the freeway real quick. Quick little rip. So obviously, since I got the car recently, I haven't put in a lot of work into it. It's just been light stuff, nothing really crazy. Still want to get downpipes and a tune, the basic stuff. And then we'll figure out what we're doing on the rest of it. The only thing that sucks about this car is the brakes are so loud. Like, you can hear it from probably the other end of the city. It's that bad. Let's hop on the freeway real quick. Damn. Crazy. I just dropped my keys. Hold on. Damn, this sucks. I can't get it out. Never mind. I got it. My God, is this thing beautiful. Oh. I don't know how well you guys can hear that on camera, but this thing is insanely loud. Try not to talk over it so you guys can hear the exhaust a little bit, but my goodness, this thing's wild. You guys want to know something interesting? For some reason, all of the like freeways in California, there's always the most random stuff on the side of the freeway. Like the other day, I saw a TV in the middle of the freeway. So yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on there, but The most random item, you're gonna find it on a freeway in California. All right, quick little tunnel pull. There we go. That sounds awesome. You know what's kind of crazy to think about, and I was thinking about this the other day, that literally all of this stuff is coming from a job where I literally click 2 buttons and stare at candles all day, which is kind of crazy. So clean. Wow. I actually love this car. Let's hear those burbles real quick. So what I was talking about earlier about how crazy trading is, one thing I really want to make sure everybody that trades, and if you guys are becoming profitable especially, super important to understand that whatever you guys see me posting, whether it's cars or the apartments, whatever it is, the stuff that I post, obviously not to flex on anybody, but just more for like motivational stuff. You guys need to understand that I'm in my 6th, almost 7th year into trading, and now I'm just starting to buy all these things, okay? You need to set yourself up first. You need to get everything sorted, and then you can maybe start thinking about, should I get a nice car? Should I start getting, you know, a nicer apartment? Things like that. A very bad thing that I see traders do is, like, you guys start making a little bit of money, boom, Lamborghini right away. And I'm just like, why? What are you guys doing? But literally the first few years that I started making money trading, I did not do a single thing except for invest that money back into properties. Investments are always number one. That's always the biggest thing. Then you can worry about all the fun stuff. This is not going to go away. These cars are always here. Why is bro's car tweaking? What's going on over there? Damn. Yeah. These cars are always going to be here. The houses are always going to be there. So you're in no rush. Okay? Get that money. Invest it first. All right, boss, what are we doing here? All right. Okay. All right. Amazing. Messed up my motivational speech. Anyways, moral of the story, guys, is don't chase after the material stuff right away. Let your money come in, be safe, invest it, and then you can worry about whatever it is, okay? And I'm also going to tell you guys one more thing. If you guys are trading, or whatever industry you're in, it doesn't have to be trading. If you're owning a business, you're an entrepreneur, dropshipping, whatever, you need to understand that everything is going to take time. A lot of you guys watching this video right now are probably a little bit newer into your trading kind of journey, but you need to understand that this does not come overnight. For the first 2 years that I was trading, I'm not even kidding you guys, 2 years, I didn't have one single green month. Okay, do you understand how crazy that is? For 2 years straight, I was just losing money every single month. I blew a 5K account, tried learning everything. I was like, damn, I got this now. Let me go another 5K account. Gone, literally in like a month. And you need to understand that for 2 years straight, that was me, just nonstop, like going through loss after loss after loss, and it was just a total mess, right? But you really just gotta stick through it. Pretty much every single trader you talk to, everybody goes through the same thing. It's not like you're special, or neither am I. So everybody goes through that. And I think a lot of people just get really frustrated who got arrested here. Anyways, yeah, a lot of people get frustrated whenever they don't see results immediately, and whatever it is in life that you do, whether it's trading or anything else, it always takes time. All right? Think of it like this. If I was 2 years into it and I was just like, screw this, whatever, it's not working, I don't even know what I'll be doing right now. I don't even want to think about it. But you really just gotta trust the process with everything in life. Have faith, let everything play out, you'll be good to go. All right? So yeah, it's just kind of an interesting way to think about life. You know, nothing's ever gonna happen fast. Anything that's good is always gonna take time. That's just the truth about it. All right. And I know this is supposed to be a car video, but I'm gonna give you guys one more like little piece of advice. If you guys are trying to learn trading, please listen to me and skip past all the BS. Just go straight into price action, fair value gaps, liquidity, and I'm missing one more thing. I don't remember, but I'll drop it in the comments below later. I'm kind of blanking right now. So that's the stuff you guys want to skip forward to and just learn right away. I wasted so much time on indicators and buy and sell algorithms and this and all that. It's not going to work, realistically speaking. All right. Let's hear the car real quick. And I gotta turn on the AC because I'm low-key dying in here. Not gonna lie. A little too much yapping from me. Let's hear the car. Also, I'm gonna tell you guys something interesting a little bit as well. Is people think that when you guys make money, there's a point where you're just like, I've made it. And there's no such thing. Like literally, I think I'm working harder today than I was working when I was first starting out. Like, it's not even funny how I literally spend, I'm not even kidding, I want to tell you I'm spending like, oh, let me rip it real quick. Alright. But yeah, I'm actually spending like at least, man, 12 hours a day working, if not more. So, it never gets easier, you just get better. That's just the way to think about it. Alright, we're first at the light, you know what that means. There was a Beamer car meet over there. It's pretty cool. Unfortunately, your boys got places to be, so joining in that. I know I just got this car, but honestly, in a few months, probably towards the summer, I'm thinking about getting a GT3 RS. So I'm just saying that right now to clip it for later. But yeah, I would love to get that thing this summer, for sure. All right, one more quick little rip, and then your boys gotta head out, so. Man, I love this car. Damn. So insane. Anyways, team, we gotta get going. Got a bunch of work to take care of, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this little POV drive. Hopefully it was entertaining. Dropped a little bit of knowledge as well to help you guys out a little bit, and hopefully that was helpful. But yeah, whatever you guys are working towards, whatever dreams you guys have, give it time, put in work every single day, and you'll get there. All right? Don't rush the process. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. Everything comes with time. And I genuinely believe this. I say it to everybody. If you have a good work ethic and you guys believe in yourself, everything's possible. Okay? I'm not special. Nobody is special, realistically. It's just a matter of who works harder than the other and who works smarter. That's all. So all of you have it in you. There's nobody that can't do it. What just happened? Oh. It's probably the scariest sound you can hear as a BMW driver. But yeah, like I was saying, everybody's got it in them. I can promise you guys I'm not special in any way. Just a young kid with a dream. Put in the work and made it happen. So if I can do it, so can you guys. Everybody can. Alright team, so I really hope you guys enjoyed these videos. If you do, let me know in the comments below. I have free time pretty much at nights. Might just take some time to record these videos with you guys. Give you guys some talks. And also show you guys the car. So let me know. You guys let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of these. Or, you know, anything in general. What videos you guys want to see. Got a little bit more time so I could be able to kind of post more content for YouTube. And for you guys in general. Alrighty guys, let's call it a night. I love all you guys. Thank you so much for the support, by the way, guys. The YouTube's growing at like 50k subscribers now, which is awesome. And yeah, I just gotta start being more consistent, get out better content for you guys. That's my big plan right now. And I really appreciate all of your guys' support. It means a lot to me. And it makes me really happy to see that people are actually benefiting from the videos. I put a lot of time and effort into them. And the best thing that I feel is when people message me like, hey, passed my funded account, got my first payout, you know, grew my account from this to that, or that's the best feeling to me. So let me know if you guys want to see more. I'm always down to get more content out. All right guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Everyone take care, enjoy your weekend, or whenever you're watching this, enjoy your day, and we'll catch up pretty soon again in the next week's video. So everybody take care, peace out.